Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Bridge to edit photos. First, launch the application from your desktop or Applications folder. Once open, navigate through your file system using the Folders panel on the left to locate your image files. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the workspace, ensuring your essential panels like Content and Preview are visible for an efficient start. Efficient organization is key. Utilize the star ratings from 1 to 5 and color labels to quickly sort through hundreds of images, marking your keepers and discards. Create custom collections for specific projects or clients, keeping related files together regardless of their physical location. Add descriptive keywords and comprehensive metadata to make your photos easily searchable later on, saving valuable time. Before diving into detailed edits, Bridge allows for quick adjustments. You can rotate images, crop them to a desired aspect ratio, or apply basic exposure corrections directly within the preview panel. View your selections in full screen mode to assess their quality. For more advanced work, seamlessly open your chosen photos into Adobe Photoshop or Camera Raw with a single click, maintaining a fluid workflow. Maximize your efficiency with powerful batch processing capabilities. Rename dozens or even hundreds of files simultaneously using custom templates, ensuring consistent naming conventions. Apply metadata templates to multiple images at once, embedding copyright information or contact details. Finally, export your processed photos for various uses, whether it's optimizing them for web display with specific dimensions or preparing high-resolution files for print, all in one go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.